Tamil Nadu, the Udayanidhi Stalin and Stalin family always talk about the separate nation, separate country, separate state, and language. They always talk about the language. See, our Honorable Prime Minister gives respect and honor to the Tamil language, Tamil pride, Tamil culture, Tirukural. So, our Honorable Prime Minister is conducting the Kashi Tamil Sangamam and our Bharadiyar chair in the Banaras Hindu University. And wherever our Honorable Prime Minister goes and our Honorable Prime Minister speak about the Tamil literature, that is Tirukural, and more than 35 languages Tirukural is translated in the foreign languages. But in Tamil people, Tamil Nadu, the DMK failed the government, and the DMK people always they speak they tells we are the safeguard for the Tamil, but they didn't do nothing for the Tamil community, Tamil society. They looted for the Tamil Nadu. In fact, the family looted for the Tamil Nadu. They are all against the development. They are against the Sanatana Dharma. They are against the, now they are talking about the languages. Yes, language like I strongly condemn to the Udayanidhi Stalin on his act. What he told that yesterday, he has to be apologized to the nation, and he has come forward to openly to apologize nation. See,